You're not very good, are you?
The tape's like metal. Full metal tape.
No, they just they don't want the bad guys to get in.
The bad guys? I mean the dogs.
Because Molly's making bacon and weenies.
I mean, bacon and dumb.
That's exactly what they're serving.
It's warm.
What do you expect?
Look at it. It looks like my gun too.
What'd you get?
Oh man, thing's heavy.
Wow, you baby.
This thing's heavy.
He gives you free gas?
No, I bought it. It's $7.
Yeah, there's tape on there, mister.
Oh, there was tape?
Yes.
Oh, there is tape. I broke it.
Oh.
This is exactly it.
This looks exactly like the M9.
This is Dad's gun. The Beretta.
M9.
Beretta. Okay.
The only thing that changes it from being a real gun is that little orange thing.
Wow.
Plastic or metal?
Everything's metal except this here. This is plastic.
Wow.
Okay, let me see.
What's this?
BBs.
Like there's only 6 millimeters. Oh.
Back more.
It's not focusing.
What's that?
It's dying. It's dying. It's not doing anything.
It's dying?
You draw that thing on your hand, your arm.
What? Oh, the one that
Is it
likes
still
to draw.
recording?
Yeah, but it's dead.
What's dead? How the dead is recording?
Oh, it's about to die. Like, you know when that's power right there. I didn't feel that.
That's so cool.
Wait, do you have to like...
Oh my god, that's so amazing.
Wait, never mind. Well, you can have an automatic or not.
Yeah, it's automatic and semi-auto.
That's awesome.
That's it. I ran out of gas.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's power right there.
That's so awesome. Kind of the paint job is great too.
What are you drinking?
Metal quality, not the paint job.
Can I have some?
You said something about the paint job. Karen.
No, I said about the metal quality.
Ah. It smells like barbecue chicken still. What is that?
Still recording?
Yeah.
It's so awesome.
You should shoot a can. See how many cans it goes through.
Actually, he has a lot of power for his little bit of gas.
Do full auto.
What?
Full auto. All the way!
You killed it.
That is stupid, it runs out so quick.
No, because I didn't put any gas inside it. Okay, okay.
I do.
Ah, jeez, this is so heavy.
Why'd you put it in bread?
Okay, turn off now.
Alright.